welcome to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing ClickFunnels. This will be my honest review, which I'll talk about the negative things as well as the positive. Also, if you could like and subscribe, that would really help me out with this new channel. Right, what is ClickFunnels? So basically, this is a software where you can kind of build funnels for your business and automate parts of the sales process at your ease and your customers. It gives you the power to control every stage of the buying journey. This control is kind of why a lot of people are actually using it right now, like myself. So this here is a normal website, as you can see in the image. There are a lot of corners essentially, which would kind of create a drop off for customers as they went through your website, leading to only kind of having one sale at the end of it. With ClickFunnels on the right here, the idea is to make the process simple and effective, so people almost fall through the funnel and get to the page they desired, which would obviously then lead to a lot more customers at the end. So let's jump over to my ClickFunnels account here, where we can kind of go over a lot more in detail about the software. So this is the home page. I currently only use the first plan, which is $97 a month. They also have a larger plan for $297. I know ClickFunnels may have a slightly higher price point to its competitors. However, I've kind of used a few of them, and then there's a noticeable difference on the effectiveness of kind of generating leads and sales. So when you come to their homepage here on the right as well, they do offer kind of some free and also paid training. I'm not too sure what ones are free. Let me check. So these ones here you have to upgrade to, I think. But some of the documentaries here are quite, you can kind of just click on them and have a go through them. With this account as well, I use Aweber as an automation software. This is why apparently I need to add extra steps as well. So like here, so create an email list. I already have an email list over on my Aweber account, which I get, I've integrated through ClickFunnels straight to that, so it kind of sends it over straight away, which is another thing that's quite cool about ClickFunnels. Okay, right, cool. Let's build a funnel. So you go to funnels here, build funnel. This will be your main thing that you'll be using for obviously ClickFunnels. So go to build funnel. As I am an affiliate marketer, I always say that generating emails is such a big thing. So let's use one as collecting emails as an example. So just click this here and let's name it something. Let's call it test one. Build funnel. So now we're in the funnel builder, the back end. And this is what it will look like when you can edit. This is the part where you edit it for then the main funnel that people will actually see. These on the left here are the steps that your customer would take. So say you'd send them to the start here, which goes straight to an opt-in page, and then a thank you page. This is probably one of the most basic funnels you can do. So let's add a step here. So say this step here would be in between these two pages, or after the thank you page, we have a sales page like here. So sales page, showing funnel, yes, create the funnel step. So once we've added that step, we kind of need to tell ClickFunnels what this step is. So like I said, let's use the sales page as an example. So sales page. And now we have lots of other templates that are high converting pages, which have already been proven to work. So these are what ClickFunnels recommends basically for the highest optimization. So let's just use this one for example. So select template. It will now add this to our funnel. So now we have added this step in. As you can see, it's just now been selected as a sales page. So all of these, once you've selected the templates, you can then go into edit the page. So if we just edit this one here, because we need to edit it to make similar to our brand. So inside the page editor, we have sections, rows, and then elements. Sections would be this whole block here. And then inside the section, you then have rows, and then inside rows, which they would then contain elements. And this is why it is so simple on ClickFunnels to edit everything, because there's so much movement you can do and control the page so much without any complicated coding and everything like this. Say you wanted to add another title here, so change this title. You then go to elements, add element, and then you can see on the side here you have all the different things you can do. So we could add buttons, we could do Facebook opt-ins. This as this is a sales page, something like a billing form. Countdowns would be quite useful. So let's just jump off to this a second, and let's talk about buttons. So with this is a button here. Now whatever your aim for the customer's destination is, this is how you can edit that. So click on the button you want to edit, and if this is where you want them to move to the next part of the funnel, you can then set that as an action. So here, so say this was the sales page, you get started now, that then completes them, they would then head to the billing page. You can then use that from set action. So it could be, that would be then go to the next step in the funnel. Or if we had to enter the email just above this here, as affiliate marketers, we would want that, and we could then change this to submit order form, which would then give you their information in your back end of your account. And you can also set that up as an automation to which this email is kind of automatically put over into your autoresponder. And this is done through the ClickFunnels integration system. Like I said earlier, my Aweber account is integrated together, so it puts it straight in and then starts my email sequence from Aweber. Perfect, so that's that. We go out this, and then make sure, if rather than going straight to exit, if you do change anything here, you need to press save and then head out, okay? It will give you this as well to make sure you have saved stuff. Another really cool thing ClickFunnels has is the A/B testing. So here you can see that we can add a variant, which then half customers would get sent to this page, half would then get sent to this one. This gives you a much better understanding of what works with your customers and what doesn't, rather than leaving it to chance. So the way I do this is through duplicating the page rather than making a completely new one, duplicating it, and then changing something small like the colors or font or anything along those lines. So then you can then pinpoint the most effective funnel steps and optimize it. So you then create duplicate here. And like you see how much traffic goes to each of them. And then you then go into edit page and then change maybe something to do as something, you maybe change the writing to a different color, maybe more bold, or change more writings bold, change the button styles, anything like that, just to get customers' attention more. And then you would see what one would win from there. So let's just head out of this again. Let's go back. Another really good thing ClickFunnels has is a really great support. So we just go to get help here. So either your problem is solved by using their most frequently asked questions, or you can have a one-on-one chat with their team to resolve your problem as well. So if we just head down to the bottom here, you can see you can just click this support. It will come up, and then once you get through from the robot, you will then get taken to a person, which they'll then help you a bit more in detail. So with softwares like ClickFunnels, it can get a bit daunting sometimes, especially as a newbie. This is why this feature really does help. Now, I hope this quick guide and review helped. I'm sure you can tell what I think about it if you have got this far, but I think ClickFunnels is the best sales funnel software out there. I've been using it for a long time now and haven't really had any problems. Like I said, I have been using the support if there is any problems. The price point is quite high, I know, but for what you are getting, this really is justified. They do also have a free 14-day trial, which is more than enough time to start bringing in leads and money before you even pay your first month. Now, I did say I'll have a bonus if you go all the way to the end. So ClickFunnels offer a free book, which is a small guide to help your business get going. All you have to do is actually pay for the shipping, like here. So I'll leave a link down the link down to that in the description if you want to have a look further into it. That is actually the end of the video as well, so thank you so much for watching this entire thing. If you did enjoy it, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, which I'll be trying to get out weekly.